Many companies have been experimenting with virtual reality offices, where employees put on headsets and go to work inside virtual digital spaces. Employers have asked, could virtual offices filled with biophilic or natural-inspired environments help employees feel better, work better, and even care more about the environment? Across 3 experiments, and contrary to established theories, researchers found that positive nature scenes don't meaningfully improve well-being, productivity, or pro-environmental choices compared to neutral offices. Biophilic design is architecture that incorporates nature's patterns and processes into workspaces. But when conducting randomized experiments in virtual reality, researchers tested biophilic design, filling virtual environments with forests, sunshine, and nature scenes. Oddly, positive biophilic environments filled with things like pristine forests and thriving wildlife had no meaningful impact on employees. And the more immersion is better assumption didn't hold either. Once people saw enough of a given environment, full immersion added little to productivity. But interestingly, some effects did show up when employees were surrounded by negative biophilic environments, such as forest fires. Immersed in negativity, employees allocated more resources to environmental causes, though those behaviors came with psychological price tags, such as more negative emotion, shame, and worse performance overall. Virtual biophilic design was a double-edged sword. Negative scenes changed behavior, but through harmful pathways. Wonder how far organizations should go in using immersive environments to change employee behavior, with ethics being a consideration in addition to other issues? If so, you may want to read this paper.